I'm Bill Milam with Partition Plus, and you're viewing our hands-on video demo of solid phenolic toilet partitions by Bobrick. Here we have a desktop display of the solid phenolic material showcasing much of the hardware used in a typical toilet partition installation. Before we dive in and look at the desktop display, let's take a few minutes to talk about solid phenolic material in general. It's made of resin-impregnated craft paper bonded together under heat and pressure to form a solid material. The solid phenolic material is recommended for applications where we anticipate high vandalism, high traffic, or high moisture in the air, such as a pool or a locker room. The material is highly resistant to dings, dents, and scratches, and it's available in a wide variety of colors and textures, really anything that's available from one of the major laminate manufacturers. The upgraded material and the hardware that comes with it does come at an added cost, so you should anticipate the phenolic falling in between solid plastic and stainless steel as far as the pricing goes. Now let's take a look at the desktop display provided to us by Bobrick. It's shown here in the brushed aluminum finish by Fundermax. They've included all of their high-end, no sightline hardware features, so I'll point those out to you as we go along. Let's start at the top and work our way down so that we don't miss anything. Here we have the aluminum anti-grip headrail. It goes on at the end of the installation and it helps keep everything square and tight to the wall. The design here not only looks nice, but it helps to prevent damage and injury from someone swinging on the headrail. Here we have continuous stainless steel brackets. It's part of Bobrick's no sightline feature, so there are no gaps shown. The standard brackets that would be included would have one at the top and one at the bottom. These are the brackets that are going to be used to attach your panel to your pilaster, your panel to the wall at the rear, and your pilaster to the wall. The desktop display features a SHIPLAP door detail. That means the door is offset on both sides and the pilasters are offset, and when it closes it creates a no sightline solution for high privacy applications. A standard door is going to be square here and on the pilasters. There will be a small gap. Here we have the self-closing, surface-mounted barrel hinges provided standard on all Bobrick solid phenolic. The hinges are not visible from the exterior, giving a nice clean look to anyone not inside of the stall. Also included with Bobrick solid phenolic are premium stainless steel pilaster shoes, coat hook, and a surface-mounted latch and strike. As you can see, solid phenolic toilet partitions by Bobrick offer great looks, top-notch build quality, and serious durability. For a one-on-one demonstration, please visit us at partitionplus.com or give us a call at 1-800-298-9696. This has been Bill with Partition Plus. I appreciate you joining us for this look at Bobrick solid phenolic toilet partitions.